Do you know the difference between a curriculum and a supplement? Where a curriculum builds from year to year, includes teacher and student support, and often includes various parts that work together like a text or work text, teacher guide or answer key and assessments, a supplement is usually short and sweet and enhances what's being learned in the curriculum. To use an analogy, if learning materials were a cheeseburger, then curriculum would be the meat, cheese, and the bun. These are what makes a cheeseburger a cheeseburger. Supplements are the fixins: lettuce, tomato, onion, ketchup, mustard. If you only have the fixins, you can't call it a cheeseburger. Supplements can often be done with little or no supervision. Instruction is included and often straightforward. They're often easy to grade when applicable, like a workbook with answers in the back. These are not busy work activities, but actually moving your student forward. When they go back to the curriculum, they're that much stronger after practicing on their own. Supplements can be sorted into 4 functional categories. Number 1 is additional practice. This is often a workbook or a game focusing on one topic, such as long division or spelling. You're not replacing your curriculum, just adding more skill practice. Test prep falls into this category too. Number 2 is critical thinking. This is further application of solid skills taught by your curriculum. Critical thinking is good for the student who's a fact learner. Critical thinking supplements could be workbooks, science kits, or other resources that ask students to apply their knowledge to a problem or another topic. Number 3 is parallel instruction, which is used when a curriculum topic just isn't clicking. A supplement with some instructional content, a video, a different book, or a workbook, can be used to provide a different explanation of a concept before you continue with your curriculum. If your student is often forgetting something you've been over several times, that's a sign that an alternate explanation is called for. Number 4 is sensory, which can also add a hands-on element, an auditory component, or a visual tool to help concepts stick with the student. Math manipulatives, science supplies, artsy activities, models, songs, and interactive charts can add a sensory component. With a little creativity, adding a sensory activity can help increase information retention. You can meet a variety of learning styles by adding a supplement. You might have a core program that you mostly like, but you need to tweak it to suit your children's particular needs. While supplements alone won't provide a complete education, they can drive the lessons home in a way that makes for more impactful learning. If you have questions on this topic or others, contact our consultant team at rainbowresource.com.